Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is July mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Guys, this is general. If it does not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio water sign, what are the messages for you? Guys, hope you all doing good. Everyone is safe. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio. Messages for Scorpio. Okay, let's see. Wow. Under the deck, 10 of Cups, 7 of Swords, Queen of Wands and 6 of Wands. I think you are taking your power back and you are getting recognition for your hard work and success for your hard work, Scorpio. And there is happiness is coming, and for those who are in separation, reconciliation. For those who are in relationship, it is going to be next level, but there are some issues. Maybe there is miscommunication or false communication. Someone is sneaky in this connection. There is some confusion, but it is a temporary. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 3 of Pentacles, 2 of Swords and Knight of Swords. I think there is no collaboration between you and your person. There is no equal give and take. That's why you're confused. You don't know. You want to stay or move on. That's why you are at some crossroads. But there was communication in past. Maybe they communicated with you. But still, after that also, you are at some crossroads, Scorpio. Then present 6 of Pentacles, 2 of Wands and Page of Cups. Yeah, they did hurt you in past because 7 of Swords, they played games with you maybe. That's why they're coming back with an apology. But you are thinking about this relationship a lot. For some, you have options also. I think especially there is no equal give and take, but now they're coming back with offer, and at the same time they want to offer equal give and take. They're realizing their mistake. That's why they are coming back with an apology. Future Knight of Cups, 4 of Wands and Ace of Cups. For some, a brand new person is coming into your life. Maybe this person is very, very serious about you. I am seeing past one and new one. For some, it could be only one person. And there is celebration in love is coming in a future. It could be with past person. It could be with new person. Lots of love, lots of offers coming to you, Scorpio. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, Scorpio. Chariot, 8 of Swords, 5 of Swords. Yeah, there are a lot of issues going. Your person feeling stuck. Yeah, they want to make a move towards you, but they're feeling stuck. For some, they're scared for rejection also. But yeah, they will make, but it will take some time. They will make a move, but they are in chariot energy. Very, very slow moving. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Cancer. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. They are thinking about commitment. They want to take this relationship to next level. If you are in relationship, they want to marry you. Definitely they're thinking about you 24/7, and you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Yeah, they want family with you. For some it will take some time because Emperor, maybe they have ego issues, but they do love you. Definitely they are thinking about you very, very positively. So let's see their intentions. Scorpio. Temperance. Wow. Yeah, patience is the key here, guys. Scorpio. Right now, your person going through some transformation. Yeah, they're coming back this time. They're very, very serious about you. They are going to express their true feelings. Yes, patience is the key, and divine timing is also. Because temperance and hermit and wheel of fortune and knight of pentacles, they are coming back for sure, but they're in slow moving energy and long term commitment. They're coming back with offer, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius or Virgo. Definitely they are thinking about to take this relationship to next level. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they do love you. They are fantasizing about you. They're missing you and they're suffering in silence. They do really love you, guys, and they're suffering in silence. They are fantasizing about you, are dreaming about you a lot. You are taking your control back. You are on your power, Scorpio, but there is communication is coming and children's also involved in this connection. Yes, communication is coming. For some you are holding back, but they're coming back with lots of passion. So let's see mutual. Lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer. Another Scorpio could be Judgment, decision making, and lot of passion. Yes, you both are attracted each other a lot, and there is some judgment, there is some decision making, and you both are spiritually connected. Yeah, there are still some issues, but you both are spiritually connected. Even though when you are no contact situation, you both are connected spiritually. Yes, there is some decision making here, and you both have a lot of passion and attraction towards each other still. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Scorpio. I'm feeling sad without you. Age difference, yeah. For some, there will be age difference between you and your person. I'm very attracted to you. I need some space now. Soulmates, please wait for me. So the messages are, please wait for me, soulmates. I am feeling sad without you. Age difference. I need some space now. I am very attracted to you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Two cards. Nothing will come of this situation. Maybe for some there will take some time, because nothing will come of this situation. Take what resonates. For some only that message. And the end of a tough cycle approaches full moon in Capricorn energy. So if you are going through a tough cycle right now, it is going to be very, very soon. It is going to be end very soon. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.